Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Telegram trading bot. First, let's understand what these bots are and their primary functions. You will learn how to locate and add a reliable trading bot directly to your Telegram application. We will then go through the crucial initial setup process, which often involves integrating your exchange's API keys securely. This foundational step is essential for your bot to execute trades on your behalf, ensuring a smooth start to your automated trading journey. Now, let's dive into configuring your bot and defining your trading strategy. You will explore various trading parameters, including precise entry and exit points for your trades. It is vital to set up robust risk management tools, such as stop loss and take profit orders, to protect your capital. Finally, select a trading strategy that aligns with your goals, perhaps employing dollar-cost averaging or a grid trading approach to optimize your bot's performance. Once your bot is active, continuous monitoring is key. This segment will teach you how to effectively track your bot's performance and oversee all active trades in real time. You will also learn to make necessary adjustments to your settings as market conditions evolve, ensuring your strategy remains optimal. Furthermore, we will cover how to review your complete trade history and analyze your profit and loss statements, providing valuable insights for future decisions. To maximize your success, here are some best practices and tips. Always begin with a small, manageable investment to thoroughly test your bot's effectiveness and understand its behavior. Regularly update your bot software and diligently review its security settings to protect your assets. Remember to diversify your investment portfolio across different assets, and critically, never invest more capital than you are genuinely prepared to lose. These steps will help ensure a safer trading experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.